In this video, we'll guide you through creating a true Mexican classic, the beef tostada. This dish is a perfect blend of crisp texture, savory flavors, and vibrant freshness, making it a fantastic addition to your cooking repertoire. We'll show you how to build this delicious meal, layer by layer. The process begins by frying a corn tortilla to a perfect golden brown crisp, the foundation of a great tostada. Next, you'll spread a layer of warm, hearty refried beans, followed by savory shredded beef that has been slow cooked to perfection. The magic happens with the toppings, where you can customize your creation. We'll add a fresh, crunchy layer of chopped lettuce, followed by your favorite crumbled cheese and a dollop of tangy sour cream. Finally, we'll finish it all off with a generous drizzle of homemade tomato sauce. This recipe isn't just a meal, it's an experience. The combination of textures and flavors in every bite is truly unforgettable. It's a wonderful recipe to share with family and friends. We hope you enjoy making this dish as much as we do.